Hi, I'm Carmelis Rodriguez, your designated school official. In this video, we'll review how to file your taxes as an international student. Step 1. Know what forms you need. All F-1 international students are required to file Form 8843, even if you didn't earn any income in the U.S. If you earn U.S. income through on-campus work or authorized OPT or CPT employment, you will also need to file Form 1040-NR, the federal tax return for non-residents. If your tuition and fees and possibly room and board are fully or partially covered by institutional aid or scholarship, you may also receive a Form 1042-S from Berry University, typically sent to your Berry email. This form shows the taxable portion of your scholarship and is mostly issued by students such as international athlete or STEM scholars. Scholarships that exceed tuition and required fees, such as those that include housing or meal plans, are considered taxable income by the U.S. government unless you qualify for benefits under a tax treaty between your country and the USA. In many cases, Berry University will pay the tax on your behalf and then charge the tax amount directly to your student account in the student portal every eligible summer term. The standard IRS withholding rate for taxable scholarship is 14%. A simple way to understand the calculation is tuition plus fees minus scholarship, and that will give you the net taxable amount times 14%. If you overpay or are due a refund, you may receive one from the U.S. government after filing your tax returns, using information provided on the 1042-S. Step 2. Gather your tax document. A W-2 if you worked, a 1042-S form if you received scholarship or fellowship. Again, the university will have sent any eligible student said form by no later than March 1st, and the Form 8843. Step 3. Use tax prep software. Berry University International Student Services Office partners with SpringTax, a tax preparation software designed specifically for international students. Many students who choose to use SpringTax will receive a free filing code by the DSO, allowing them to submit their federal tax return at no cost. SpringTax guides you step by step through the tax filing process, making it easier to complete the required forms accurately. While SpringTax is recommended, you are not required to use it. You may choose any filing method that meets your needs, such as Glacier Tax Prep, a private accountant, or another trusted resource. Just remember, if you choose SpringTax and are eligible, you can benefit from the free federal filing code provided by our office. Step 4. File before the deadline. Tax season is January through April. The usual deadline is April 15. You will want to ensure that you file your taxes on or before the tax deadline. Here's a quick advice. Keep a copy of all tax forms you submit. And remember to reach out to the International Student Services Office for guidance.